Good morning. Today, let us see business risk. The term business risk refers to the possibility of a commercial business making inadequate profits or even losses due to uncertainties. For example, changes in taste, changing preference of consumers, strikes, increased competition, changes in government policy, etc. Every business organization faces various risk elements while doing business. Business risk implies uncertainty in profits or danger of loss and the events that could pose a risk due to some unforeseen events in future which causes business to fail. For example, a company may face different risk in production, risk due to irregular supply of raw materials, machinery breakdown, labor unrest, etc. In marketing, risk may arise due to fluctuations in market prices, changing trends and fashions, errors in sales forecasting, etc. In addition, there may be loss of assets of the firm due to fire, flood, earthquakes, or war and political unrest, which may cause unwanted interruptions in the business operations. So, the business risk may take place in different forms depending upon the nature of a company and its production. The business risk can rise due to the influence by two major risks, that is the internal risk arising from the events taking place within the organization, and external risk, that is risk arising from the events taking place outside the organization. The possibility of risk. In simple terms, risk is a possibility of something bad happening. The risk involves uncertainty about the effects, implication of an activity with respect to something that humans value, such as health, well being, wealth, property, or the environment, often focusing on negative, undesirable, and the consequences. So, here is a definition of risk. It can be defined as the chances of loss due to certain uncertain events in the future. Risk is a chance or probability that a person will be harmed or experience an advance or adverse health effect if exposed to hazard. It may also apply to situations with the property or equipment loss or harmful effects on the environment. Business enterprises constantly face two types of risk. One is speculative risk and the other one is pure risk. Speculative risk involves both the possibility of gain as well as the possibility of loss. Speculative risk arises due to changes in market conditions, including fluctuations in demand and supply, changes in prices, or changes in fashion and taste of consumers. Favorable market conditions are likely to result in gains, whereas unfavorable ones may result in losses. Pure risk involves only the possibility of loss or no loss. The chances of fire, theft, or strikes are example of pure risk. Their occurrence may result in loss, whereas non-occurrence may explain absence of loss instead of gain. Speculative risk. Speculative risk involve both the possibility of gain as well as the possibility of loss. It involves both the chances of gain or loss. If the market condition is favorable, it will result in gain, otherwise, loss. Speculative risk arises due to changes in market conditions, including fluctuations in demand and supply, changes in prices, or changes in fashion and taste of customers. Pure risk. Possibility of loss or even no loss. Pure risk involves only the possibility of loss or no loss. The chances of fire, theft, or strikes are examples of pure risk. Their occurrence may result in loss, whereas non occurrence may explain absence of loss instead of gain. Nature of business risk. The nature of business risks can be understood in terms of the peculiar characteristics. The first nature is it arises due to uncertainties. Uncertainty refers to the lack of knowledge about what is going to happen in future. Natural calamities, changes in demand and prices, changes in government policy, improvement in technology, etc., are some of the examples of uncertainty which create risk for business because the outcome of these future events is known in advance. That means the outcome of these future events is not known in advance. Example of the uncertainties is changes in demand, government policy, epidemic like coronavirus, etc. The next nature is degree of risk depends mainly upon the nature and size of business. Nature of business, that is, type of goods and services produced and sold, and size of business, that is, volume of production and sale, are the main factors which determine the amount of risk in a business. For example, a business dealing in fashionable items has a high degree of risk. Similarly, a large scale business generally has a higher risk than what a small scale has. The next nature is profit is a reward for bearing risk. No risk, no gain is an age old principle which applies to all types of business. Greater the risk involved in a business, higher is the chance of profit. An entrepreneur undertakes risk under the expectation of higher profit. Profit is a reward for risk taking. Every business is directed to achievement of certain objectives. Although earning profit cannot be the only objective of the business, its importance cannot be ignored. Profit is found to be the leading objective of the business. Business persons themselves proclaim that their primary objective is to produce or distribute goods or service for a profit. Every business is said to be an attempt on the part of business people to get more than what has been spent or invested, or in other words, to earn profit which is the excess of revenue over cost. Profit may be regarded as an essential objective of business for various reasons. It is a source of income for business persons. It is a source of finance for meeting expansion requirements of business. It indicates the efficient working of business. It can be as society's approval of the utility of business, and also it can build up the reputation of a business. Earning profit cannot be a sole objective. Earning of profit cannot be the objective of business more than that the others are considering it. However, too much emphasis on profit on to the exclusion of the other objectives can be dangerous for good business. So, profit is the reward for risk taking. No risk, no gain is an age old principle which applies to all types of business. Greater the risk involved in a business is the higher is the chance of profit. Methods of dealing with the risk. What are the different methods dealing with the risk? Although no business enterprises can escape the presence of risk, there may be many methods it can use to deal with risk situations. For instance, the enterprise may decide not to enter into too risky transactions. Take preventive measures like firefighting devices to reduce risk. Take insurance policy to transfer risk to insurance company. Assume risk by making provisions in the current earnings, as in the case of provision for bad and doubtful debts. Share risk with other enterprises, as manufacturers and wholesalers may do by agreeing to share losses which may be caused by falling prices. How to deal with the business risk? Here's the method of dealing with risk. Not to enter high risky transactions. Take precautionary measures like firefighting equipments, etc. Take an insurance policy to cover various risks. Take measures like provision for bad debts, investment fluctuation fund, etc. So we have seen the method of dealing with the risk. Now here let us see the causes of a business risk. Business risks arise due to variety of causes. The nature of business risk, we have seen that it has arise due to uncertainties. Risk is an essential part of every business. Degree of risk depends mainly upon the nature and size of business. Profit is a reward for risk taking. Now, here is the causes. There are different causes of business risk. They are the natural causes, human causes, economic causes, as well as the other causes. The first cause is a natural cause. Human beings have little control over natural calamities like flood, earthquake, lightning, heavy rains, famine, etc. These result in heavy loss of life, property, and income in business. So, this type of risk is due to natural calamities. It may include damages from flood, fire, earthquake, etc. The next causes of business risk is human cause. Human causes include such unexpected events like dishonesty, carelessness, or negligence of employees, stoppage of work due to power failures, strikes, riots, management inefficiency, etc. So, this human causes may arise due to certain human activities. The other causes is there are unforeseen events like political disturbances, mechanical failures such as bursting of boiler, fluctuations in exchange rates, etc., which lead to the possibility of business risk. Now, here is the different types of causes: the natural causes, human causes, economic causes, and other causes. Let me tell about you the economic causes here. These include uncertainties relating to demand for goods, competition, price, collection of dues from customers, change of technology or method of production, etc. Financial problems like a rise in interest rate for borrowing, levy of higher taxes, etc. also come under these type of economic causes as a result in higher unexpected cost of operation of business. So, the economic causes include the uncertainties relating to demands for goods, competition, price, collection of dues from customers. And also, it includes the financial problems like rise in interest rate of borrowings and the higher taxes also come under this type of economic causes. The other causes we have seen that they are unforeseen events like political disturbances, mechanical failures, bursting of boiler, fluctuations in exchange rates, etc., which lead to the possibility of business risk. The natural causes we have seen human beings have a little control over the natural calamities like flood, earthquake, lightning, heavy rains, famine, etc., which result in heavy loss of life, property, and income in the business. And human causes also, we have seen that it includes such unexpected events like dishonesty, carelessness, or negligence of employees, stoppage of work due to power failure, strike riots, management inefficiency, etc. And also, we have seen how to deal with the methods of dealing with the risk with different methods. That means method of dealing with risk. Although no business enterprise can escape the presence of risk, there are different methods which can use to deal with the risk situations. That means the first method is designed not to enter into too risky transactions. That is the first method of dealing with risk. And the second one, we have seen that take preventive measures like firefighting devices to reduce the risk. And the third method is take insurance policy to transfer risk to insurance company. And the next method is assume risk by making provisions in the current earnings as is a case of provision for bad and doubtful debts. And the next method is share risk with other enterprises as the manufacturers and the wholesalers may be or they do not agree to share losses which may be caused by falling prices. So, these are the different methods of dealing with risk. So, business enterprises constantly face the different risks that is speculative and pure, which I've already seen. So, this refers to the possibility of inadequate profits or even losses due to uncertainties or unexpected events. Here is a natural cause risk due to natural calamities, which include damages from flood, fire, earthquake, etc.